Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the lip sync feature on CapCut PC. Go to AI avatars. You can even upload your own photo to make like your photo talk here under customize. But I'm just going to use the one under like new or trending here. I'm just going to use this person and then I'm going to select next. I'm going to type in stop. My god, she's talking so much. Anyways, you can select from these like voices as well. I'm just going to type in hello, I'm Shelly Duvall. I don't know. Can I type in Duvall? Duval, stop. Hello, I'm Shelly Duvall. Hello, I'm Shelly Duvall. Rest in peace, Queen, honestly. You know what? Let's do this one. I'm just going to select generate, and basically the photo will say the word that you typed in as well as the speech, of course, and I'm just going to wait for it to be applied. It does take a few seconds, so just be patient. Just be patient with me, alright? Okay, so this is what it will look like and sound like.
Hello, I'm Shelly Duval.
She kind of says it.
Hello, I'm Shelly.
Like her lips move in that like word. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.